several leaders across the country are urging the center to postpone the JEE and NEET examinations amid ongoing protests. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia have both asked the government to cancel entrance exams in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. DMK President M.K. Stalin has written to Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal on the matter, and Maharashtra Tourism Minister Aditya Thackeray has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, asking that all academic activity, including examinations, be postponed as well. Earlier, the Supreme Court refused to defer the exams, reasoning that the exams must go on with safeguards. According to reports, the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test and Joint Entrance Exam (Mains) 2020 exams will be conducted in the first week of September as scheduled. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, according to news agency, noted with the Education Ministry's directive to conduct NEET (JEE) 2020 in September, I would again appeal to the center to assess risk and postpone these exams until the situation is conducive again. It's our duty to ensure a safe environment for all our students. In our last video conference with the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, I had been vocal against the UGC guidelines mandating completion of terminal examinations in universities/colleges by the end of September 2020, which had a huge potential to put student lives at risk, the West Bengal Chief Minister tweeted on Monday. Now with the directive of Education of India to conduct NEET (JEE) 2020 in September, I would again appeal to the center to assess the risk and postpone these examinations until the situation is conducive again. It is our duty to ensure a safe environment for all our students, the tweet noted. In his letter to the Education Minister, Stalin noted that both students and parents are under enormous mental stress, trying to cope up with the testing times. With the present restrictions on public transport, the allotted exam centers are not uniformly accessible to all, and it will not be possible for students belonging to rural areas and less privileged sections to reach the exam centers. They will be put under a great disadvantage against their affluent counterparts, he continued. Stalin ended the letter, urging the center to postpone JEE and NEET exams until the pandemic was brought under control. The Union Minister of Human Resource Development on Friday said the JEE, Mains, and NEET would be conducted in September as scheduled. Deputy CM Manish Sisodia appealed to the center to cancel the JEE and NEET. Sisodia also suggested alternative admission methods for this year. He also tweeted, the government is playing with the lives of lakhs of students in the name of JEE and NEET. I appeal to the center of government to immediately cancel both exams and adopt an alternative admission process. Additionally, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi tweeted, "Goy must listen to the #students ke man ki baat about NEET, JEE exams and arrive at an acceptable solution."